Guys. Today I will try to make a explanation of the installation React Native application in your Mac operating system. First, you need to click a terminal. At the terminal, firstly, you need to write installing to the Node.js application by using Brave. Brave is a package manager libraries for the missing documents in the Apple products. It's installed already now. After it, we need to make an install of Watchman. Watchman is library for the using the by developer for the to see their any updates in their source code directly at the development mode, development devices. After both of this installing of the libraries, we need to make an installation. The main library, it's React Native CLI. React Native CLI is providing us for the creating a product React Native projects. In a global, we are installed now because we can use that in a different users too at the same IP. Now, after all the installation, we can go to desktop. Make a dir for the React Native workspace directory. After it, just by writing React Native init first project, it will start to preparing all the required documents in the first project folder. React Native is developed from the Facebook developers by Facebook developers, and they write that for the create instead of the try to writing the native projects for the mobile applications. They did it with the Java by using the JavaScript technologies for the build hybrid applications. It's so easy to use, and even especially with them, they start to using that at their Android and iOS application already too. You can see that with the Facebook groups or with another applications that they have in their store account. It's installed already. Now at the description you can see that after the old description for the iOS application you need to just write the React Native run iOS or React Native run Android application. Firstly, before the starting any projects, you need to make all the configuration for the starting emulator. With me, I did it already before. Because of that, it can start it directly, or just now I need to go first project, and here I can start it. Now you will see with the emulator it will starting at for the iOS project. The one information for you, other side you need to go to the App Store for the making installation of the Xcode. I was using that before. I had so many projects at the Digital API already, and I make installation at the Xcode is providing to the developers for the creating any iOS applications or the any project easily. You need to make an install, and at here is around it's really so it's 6 gigabytes. You need to install it. After the installation with the Xcode, you need to open it. And at the preferences you will see locations. At the locations command line tools, you need to make an installation from directly here, because as I told you before, I was using the Digital for make a developments. I make an installation already, so you can have an application already by using the React Native. So have a good day. At the first sessions we will explain to how to create the Android or iOS project directly. Just try to follow us.